Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today's video is of utmost importance as we discuss a subject that, although rare, demands our attention: how to survive a cougar attack. So in this video, we are going to discuss 7 tips that would help you to survive a cougar attack. So let's begin. Before we dive into survival strategies, let's first understand cougars. Cougars, also known as mountain lions or pumas, are formidable solitary carnivores found in Americas. These big cats possess a tawny coat and renowned for their stealth and power. Cougars primarily hunt deer but are opportunistic predators, capable of taking down a range of prey. They are skilled ambush hunters with a wide habitat range from deserts to forests. Cougars play a vital role in maintaining ecosystems by controlling herbivore populations. Yet their encounters with humans are rare. But understanding their behavior and practicing safety measures in cougar territories is essential to coexist harmoniously with these elusive and crucial apex predators. So let's discuss 7 tips on how to survive a cougar attack if you have an encounter with one. Never turn your back. Starting from tip number 1 is never turn your back on a cougar, ever. Cougars are more likely to view as a potential prey if you turn and run. Instead, face the cougar and maintain eye contact. Always stand facing a cougar. Do not run. Never ever run from a cougar. I repeat, never, because it can run faster than you. Fast movements triggers their chase and kill instinct. Running from a cougar can trigger its natural instincts to chase and attack. Slowly back away to demonstrate that you are not a threat. Make an eye contact. Maintain a constant, direct eye contact and remove sunglasses if you are wearing one. Eye contact helps establish dominance and make you appear larger. It's essential to stay calm. Do not panic. Make yourself appear larger by raising your arms and standing on your tiptoes. Maintain eye contact with the cougar and back away slowly. Removing sunglasses allows the cougar to see your eyes, which is crucial for the encounter. Make loud noises. Make loud continuous noises. Cougars are generally solitary and avoid loud noises. During an encounter, use your voice. Speak firmly and confidently. Let the cougars know you are a human, not prey. This can help deter an attack. Shout, clap your hands, and make yourself heard. Grab a tool. Be prepared. Carry bear spray, a fixed blade knife, and an air horn or whistle. These tools can help you defend yourself and alert others in case of cougar encounter. Bear spray can deter a cougar, while a knife and loud noise can be used as defensive measures. Fight back. If a cougar approaches and an attack seems imminent, you must fight back. Use any available objects as weapons, such as sticks or rocks. Your hands and feet can also be effective. Target the sensitive areas like its eyes, nose, and throat. Remember, your goal is to survive. Don't go alone. Enjoy the outdoors in a group or with 2 or more people. There's safety in numbers. Cougars are more likely to avoid groups of people, as they typically prefer solitary hunting. Hiking or spending time outdoors with others reduces the likelihood of encountering a cougar in the first place and enhances safety. These guidelines aim to minimize the risk of cougar encounters and provide a plan of action if one does occur, prioritizing your safety when enjoying the outdoors. If you survive a cougar attack, seeking immediate medical attention is crucial. Even if you escape unharmed, consult a healthcare professional for potential injuries and rabies prevention. It's vital to report the encounter to local wildlife authorities as well. In conclusion, surviving a cougar attack is an exceedingly rare but life-threatening situation. By staying informed, taking preventive measures, and remaining calm during an encounter, you can increase your chances of survival. Remember, your safety is paramount. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more essential knowledge. Thank you for watching, and above all, stay safe.